Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Welcome to Cloud Patishala channel. And after a long time, again, I'm trying to creating this video due to some, things I'm unable to create a videos. I will try to create a videos consistently and provide the things in my channel. Thank you for supporting me. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon. Whenever new video, you will get the notification. If you like the videos, please like them and it will reach to more people. And coming to this today video, Cloud Shell. In Azure Cloud, there is a Cloud Shell is available. Everyone knows if you click on here and you can see here what I'm showing is a Cloud Shell. This is a icon. Let me increase the font and after notification beside and left side is a Cloud Shell is available. And why especially Cloud Shell? You already create the video and we already knows Cloud Shell like that, but some challenges is there, like when you are trying to when working in the client or laptop or VDI or office laptop, and by default we won't get the Cloud Shell related packages up to date, or might be company laptop won't allow to install it and follow the process and get the things. It's a very quite difficult. And coming to Cloud Shell using in Azure platform, and whenever you click on this one, it will ask to create a storage account. So it will create a one storage bucket, kind of 5 GB of file share. And for us, and what we are trying to do the things, everything it will manage through that only. It's a kind of backend is a container. So without any storage, we can't use the Cloud Shell. Yes, previously it's not, but now it's a possible, guys. That is a very beauty. Now new feature is a Microsoft released recently and very, very, very useful. So no need to worry about any you want run PowerShell, Azure CLI, as well as Terraform or Python or any so many different languages. Previous video also I shown you. So what are the languages supported? That way, without any storage account created, directly Cloud Shell using, and very, very useful. This is a one, and no need to worry, because of when we are working some specific client won't allow to create a storage account, and things might be, if they allowed it, which storage account we want to use it, we don't know. Like a lot of challenges will come. So latest version wise and everything. But if it is a coming to Cloud Shell up to date always. So without storage account, how we can get it? If you click on this Cloud Shell, obviously everyone knows this is the one will get it. And by default, already, for testing purpose, I made it. Due to that, directly it's enter without asking any, challenges here. But let me show you here. Reset user settings I'm trying to doing. But first time, whenever you are doing, and you will get the options. What options you will get it? I can show you here. Give me a minute. I'm trying to user settings changes here. And now, first time if you are trying to doing, guys, you will get like this. Welcome to Cloud Shell. So select which base you want. Is a bash or PowerShell? Which one you want in Cloud Shell? Suppose I want a bash, click on bash. And you can see, guys, previously it's obviously to lose the which subscription storage account this blah blah blah. But now you can see here, and it's asking no storage account required or mount a storage account. Which one you want? I want is a no storage account. Previously, traditional method wise, initially method wise, mount a storage account. Everyone knows, and we can select it on that. It's a create a storage account and everything, blah, 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 blah. Yes, I can show you that one also. Cloud Shell, suppose, and it's apply it and it will create a storage account accordingly. But I don't want storage account. Without storage account, I want to connect to the Cloud Shell. And one more thing, sometimes companies you are using the Cloud Shell that is over the internet. Yes, but I don't want over the internet. I want integrate my private virtual network. You can see, guys, use existing private virtual network. Cloud Shell also using your virtual network wise only it will communicate it, but it's a required a few things. I can show you apply, and you can see here virtual network required, and the network profile also is a required. And obviously relay namespace. There is a separate service is a relay namespace we required, and select the resource group. And these are the details is a required for this. So you want more understand this is a one, click on learn more, and the architecture diagram I can show you here, and you can try to explore it here. So is a customer network, customer browser trying to access the Azure portal. After that, what we will do, launch the Cloud Shell container. So when is launching the Cloud Shell, obviously previously file share is available. It's a integrate that one. And how is the connected is a with virtual network wise Azure Relay. Azure Relay is a separate service. Through that, it's a virtual network wise is a integrated. Other Azure resources, all other resources, we can use it. So this relay we need to configure it. If you want, you can see things considered before deploying Azure Cloud Shell in a virtual network is a Azure Relay is a very important, guys. This is a one Azure Relay, what exactly and how basic flow and everything, you can explore it and try to use it. If you don't want this many complexity, it's enough. It's without storage account, and I want run it. Yeah, simply apply it without storage account, guys. And normally, it will launch the Cloud Shell, and you can observe here GUI, graphical user interface also change it, and you can see and options I'm getting. Switch to PowerShell. Right now I'm in Bash, and it's asking if you want if I want switch to PowerShell, I can switch it and restart the my session, user session. I want restart it. Yes, I can restart it. And even without storage account also I can upload it, or what I upload and download also I can do it. Let me show you. Upload. Suppose I have some PowerShell script, just I'm uploading, successfully upload a file. And where is the destination slash home slash Kiran? It's a mention. Let me give the ls command, and it's showing the my file. Get a Azure firewall rules ps1 PowerShell command. But this is a permanently is available in my session. No, guys. If you restart the session or terminate the session, this it will entirely gone. Why? Because of I'm not using any storage account. It's not going to upload on that. It's a temporarily, it's a maintain here. I can show you. Just I'm restarting my session. Just I restart my session, guys. And you can observe here. After that, again, if I'm going to run ls command, that file, what I upload the file previously, Azure firewall rules related, how to get the firewall rules, all those in PowerShell script. Simply, it won't available on this. It's gone. Totally, it's gone. So it's a temporarily any files uploading, downloading at that time only before. So ls, you can see here, nothing is just showing. So because of it's a storage account, I'm not choosed it. I'm not mount as a storage account. That's the reason it will go on. You need to observe this is a one. And new session, it will open the new window and it will open. And what I am going to upload it, that one it's a edit and web preview. These all those things previously discussed. And settings, text size, large, font size, the different format, and themes. I want a dark theme. I want is a like a high contrast light, high, contrast dark. These are, themes I can select it. Reset my user settings. That means suppose my user settings wise means again it will go back and it will give the option to mount as a storage account or integrate the virtual network without these all options I will get it. Those options wise reset user configuration, classic version, previous version I want. If I want I'm comfortable with that, go with the classic version also. And help, obviously, Cloud Shell related documentation, CLI references, how to copy and paste it, policy and send feedback. These are all options. It's available. Totally, this is about. It's a small video, guys, for your understanding. Very, very good future. And most of the time, temporarily, I want run it or upload and run it. Those things wise and very useful without, paying the cost, storage account wise and everything. Definitely, it's a very useful, guys. Thank you. Let's meet another video.